The 25 to 30 questions that I'm going to give you in this particular video, expect these questions in your NEET 2026. This is my guarantee, I'm telling you, because these are the most repeated questions which have been asked in your NEET examination till now, including NEET 2025. And if you do these 25 to 30 questions, expect, I would say, 120 marks in your NEET 2026. That is my guarantee. So my dear NEET aspirants, I know at this point of time, a lot of students are saying, sir, my biology is good. I'm getting good score in chemistry, but my problem is in the physics. I need a set of questions. I don't have the time to read the entire chapter. I don't have the time to go for the entire syllabus, all the questions, but give me the set of questions which will be for sure asked in your NEET 2026 examination. So my dear NEET aspirants, do these 25 to 30 questions and thank me later after the NEET examination. Okay, so take these questions very, very, very seriously. I have done the detailed analysis. These are the most repeated questions, and for sure in 2026 also, they will be asking these questions only. They will be repeated again. So my dear NEET aspirants, make sure you smash the like button and you share it with your friends also. Okay, now, listen to me very carefully. First and the foremost thing, let's talk about the optics first and let's talk about the modern physics first. In optics, you are going to do the mirror formula. Okay, even if you learn basics of these, still you would be able to solve the questions which will be basically asked in your examination. Then my dear NEET aspirants, lens formula you will be doing. Okay, then I would say combination of lenses and you will be doing, and you will be doing YDSE, and certain number of questions are YDSE. This is what you guys are supposed to do in the entire optics. And then when it comes to the modern physics, go with the photoelectric equation. Even I have recently completed the modern physics on YouTube. Okay, and in the modern physics, I have explained every single thing. You can take that lecture and you can complete these topics only. You can complete these questions only. These are not the topics, these are the questions. Okay, photoelectric equation, you said de Broglie, we say Bohr's model, and in Bohr's model, you guys are supposed to study the energy of electron in the nth orbit, radius of electron in the nth orbit, velocity of an electron in the nth orbit, that's it. And in photoelectric equation, energy of a photon is equal to work function plus kinetic energy maximum, nothing more. Okay, and you need to convert that photoelectric equation like into work function and stopping potential, that's it. And then my dear NEET aspirant, de Broglie's wavelength, you can expect the question from here also. And spectral series like Lyman-Balmer-Paschen. Okay. And then PN junction diode, my dear NEET aspirants. Okay. In PN junction diode, forward biasing and reverse biasing. And then you have logic gates. Logic gates also have completed. So my dear NEET aspirants, these questions, if you go for 100%, you can ask you can basically expect the questions in your NEET 2026 examination. Let's move on to this one. Kinematics. In kinematics, you guys are supposed to go for position time graph, velocity time graph, acceleration time graph, and graph conversion. That's it. And in relative motion, go with the Riemann problem and reverse-Swimmer problem. And my dear NEET aspirants, in projectile motion, particularly go for the range and I would say maximum height and time of flight also, because questions have been asked from I would say huge number of questions from projectile motion if from from the range, height and time of flight. Center of mass and rotation, we say inelastic collision and elastic collision. Okay, you need to find the energy also, energy loss also. And then my dear NEET aspirants, velocity after the inelastic and elastic collision, that also you need to find out. Then over here, moment of inertia. Okay, go with this topic. And angular momentum conservation. These are the three things you guys are supposed to do in the center of mass and rotation. Then my dear NEET aspirants, when it comes to the chapter electrostatics, Coulomb's law, okay, like you have multi-charge system, different number of charges, you are supposed to find the Coulomb's law. And if you have two charges, and in middle you will keep one charge which will be basically oscillating, they will be asked to find the angular frequency or time period if it is performing SHM. That they can ask from the Coulomb's law. And then electric field due to a ring, due to a segment of ring, and due to the line charge. This is what they can ask. Potential versus field relation. What is the potential versus field relation? E is equal to minus dV by dr. And from that, you need to do the partial differentiation, and that is the one question confirmed from this. Gauss law, like flux through different surfaces, you need to do that. Dielectrics and capacitors. Like dielectrics are placed in series, dielectrics are placed in parallel. Okay, in that particular case, we'll be asked to find the net capacitance of the system. That's it. Current, electricity, Ohm's law. Drift velocity you need to do over here. Okay, Ohm's law and drift velocity and current density also. And resistance temperature relation. Okay, variation of resistance with temperature. Over there you need to do those graphs also. And then we say meter bridge and midpoint potential. Meter bridge is very important. Then, my dear NEET aspirants, when it comes to the gravitation, variation of acceleration due to gravity with height on the surface of Earth, below the surface of Earth. Energy, okay, potential, energy, okay, and conservation of energy also. If there is a sphere, if you release a mass, it strikes the sphere, what is the velocity with which it will strike? Velocity, okay, orbital velocity, you have got escape velocity. And in thermodynamics and KTG, ideal gas equation, RMS speed, degree of freedom. And then processes, adiabatic, isothermal, isobaric, isochoric, these 4 processes you need to do. Confirm questions from this and laws of thermodynamics, first law, second law and all. So this is what you guys are supposed to do. Now, my dear NEET aspirants, this is for that student who have not, students who have not done much in their physics at this point of time. They want something so that they can maximize their score. Now, my dear NEET aspirants, this is the session which is going to blow your mind. Let me just tell you, maximum number of these questions will be done in this particular session. Maximum number of these questions will be done in this particular session. Go on to the channel and smash the like button. This I'll be taking. Okay, it is showing, I would say tomorrow. If not tomorrow, I'll be taking it day after tomorrow. Mostly I'll be taking it tomorrow only 8 p.m. If not tomorrow, then day after tomorrow on Sunday. Okay, maximum number of questions will be from this one. Okay, so my dear NEET aspirants, one more important thing. At this point of time, lot of students are saying, sir, please help us in the mock test scores also. Please help us in the test series also. This is the test series which is going to help you. This test series is going to boost your marks and this is completely free of cost. It is going on inside Unacademy right now. The link is in the description below. Click onto this link and give the test. Analyze your scores. Because if you do not give the test at the end moment, then forget about the selection. So that's why this is completely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. Just click on the test series and analyze your scores. And analyze also in which portion you are lagging. So thank you so much. Make sure you guys smash the like button and you share it with your friends also. Take care and bye-bye.